for video for the day is how to terminate or how to crimp or fix the RG11 cable telephone line wire. Welcome back to my channel, GCTECH Online Clicks. For video for the day is how to terminate or how to crimp or fix the RG11 cable telephone line wire. What? So that's this we call this telephone cable wire RG11. You need RG11 2 pieces, and you need a crimping tools for this RG11. Then you need another tools, a cutter and scissor. So I will show you how to fix this one. You need to cut a scissor and this one cutter, and this one a cover block. Need to cut this one.
Ginagawa mo.
And put this RG11 here like this one. This one is yellow color first, second green, and red black. You have 4 colors: yellow, green, red, black. So you need to cut this cutter. Look, that's it, and you insert the wire yellow start here at the left side and push and get the crimping tools, then put here and push and grip like this one. That's it. And this one, another one, you need to crimp. Cut the scissor and need to cut cutter. After your cutter, you need to cut this one, the scissor. For this one is yellow, the first color. For this another side is the black color first. And you need to cut. And insert to RG11.
Ginagawa mo.
Need to put this and crimp. That's it. Done for crimping RG11 of telephone line wire. If you new for my channel, please do subscribe and click my bell button for my updates video. See you on my next video. Thank you guys.